Hello everyone, I am Dr. Christian Servin, Associate Professor in Computer Science at El Paso Community College, and I'll show you briefly a couple of the highlights we count in the Computer Science program at EPCC. Let us start with the courses that we offer. We're going to show you the 2-year degree coursework that you will require to take in order to obtain an associate degree in computer science. In the left-hand side, you can see the core curriculum. These courses you will require to take for any degree that you would like to pursue. So make sure you budget your time in order to take all of these courses during the next 2 years. The computer science courses, we start with the CS1, also known as COSC 1436. This is the Fundamentals of Computer Programming 1, and we always recommend to take it along with Math 2413, which is Calculus 1. Calculus takes an important role in computer science because you will require to take a couple of math courses, so make sure you speed up your maths before you continue with other courses. After taking CS1, you will take in Fundamentals of Computer Programming 2, also known as Elementary Data Structures and Algorithm. The course is COSC 1437, and we always recommend to take it with Math 2314 and Math 2305. This is Calculus 2 and Discrete Math. Make sure you keep that course in mind, Discrete Math, because you will need it once you transfer to UTEP or NMSU or any other 4-year institution. In the second year, we always recommend to take Data Structures. This is COSC 2336, along with Engineering Physics 1, which is called Physics 2325. And finally, the last semester, we recommend to take one of those electives. It can be COSC 1420, this is C Programming, or COSC 2425, Computer Organization and Machine Language, along with Engineering Physics 2. By following these steps, you will conclude your degree in 4 semesters. Take advantage of summer courses that will help you to speed up a couple of those courses that you may need. Another exciting component we have is the ACM Student Chapter Computer Science Club. Here, a couple of the computing areas, as you can see right here, they meet and they develop fun activities. The Computer Science Club is the official Association of Computing Machinery, ACM, student chapter. The ACM is the largest professional association in computing in the world. Only ACM professional members can create and advise a student chapter. This chapter provides unique opportunities for networking, mentoring, and bonding over common interests across the computing disciplines. This awesome club is one of the most successful student chapters in the region. That's right, we are considered to be one of the most active computing clubs in El Paso region, particularly because of the amazing activities we develop in the border community. You can see here that there are 2 other chapters, one at UTEP and another one in the UACJ in Ciudad Juarez. The one at EPCC is considered to be the one with the most active years in this region since fall 2012. The purpose of the Computer Science Club is to maintain and assist each student in computer science field, helping each other to grow and thrive and facilitate the process of transitioning into a 4-year institution in the real-world industry. We count with a variety of activities and areas where students can explore their interest in computing in general, including multidisciplinary work, research, and social aspects. If you're interested to join the club, we count with several social media, including a Discord channel that you should join. In addition to the computer science courses that you take, we also offer the Explainable AI Institute. The computer science program counts with the Explainable Artificial Intelligence, also known as XAI Institute, where we develop research in emerging areas, including artificial intelligence, adversarial computing, and data science. Most of the work developed in this institute is presented in regional conferences such as the joint UTEP-NMSU workshop on mathematics, computer science, and computational sciences. And also in HENAC, the great minds in STEM. It is worth mentioning that most of our students who develop research in the Institute currently are hired by big companies across the country or are currently finishing their graduate studies, such as master's or PhD, and they have jobs such as research assistants. With the ultimate objective to help students to transition to workforce and industry, we offer exciting workshops. Usually during regular semesters, professionals in computing areas from different local workforce and industry from White Sands Missile Range, Texas Tech, UTEP, El Paso Intelligence Center offer exciting workshops to EPCC students and faculty. For example, every year the Army Combat Capabilities Development Command Data and Analysis Center at White Sands Missile Range offer the cybersecurity workshop called Man in the Middle, where they demonstrate hacks and other social engineering attacks in real time. You can see here all the exciting students and even faculty taking this workshop during the fall of 2019. Also, talented students provide students' presentations. They are from great interest in computing. Usually you will not find these presentations in a computer science course, but talented classmates of yours may have the experience. For example, we can see right here a group of students explaining how to build your own computer. Also, we have other workshops like Basic Linux, how to use BI or Emacs, besides others. In case the students need help, we count with the peer-led team learning. The PLTL model has been applied for more than 10 years, where students assist other students in their programming challenges. These peers are available in flexible times that run from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Saturday. In case students have questions about their programming assignments, they can count on them. Even if students can attend to regular face-to-face environment, the PLTL has a virtual assistant where they can help their peers using technology and conference tools. In case you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. My name is Cristian Servin. I'm an associate professor and here's my information. Or contact Del Nájera, the Information Technology District Coordinator. Thank you for watching.